Building is necessary, but it is also a responsibility, because anyone who seals surfaces must return water, and anyone who manufactures products must protect resources. At HAURATON, we know that our work leaves its mark. We work with concrete and composite that is not clean. Not yet. But we change out of conviction. With our certifications, we are facing up to our responsibility. Management, ecology, social issues, transparent and verified. The path is not easy, and it will not be easy, but we are working on it. Every day, with every product, with every idea. And these efforts are proving successful. 31% of our total energy consumption is renewable. Approximately 280 tons of carbon dioxide savings per year through photovoltaics. Energy savings through energy-efficient LED lighting. 98.96% of our waste is separated, collected, and sent for recycling. And it is not only our processes that we are constantly developing, but also our products for drainage, treatment, infiltration, and retention of precipitation. Our clear goal: longevity, efficiency, and responsibility. Our RES C-Fix channel bodies are made from 93% recycled composite. They also carry the Blue Angel environmental label. At the end of their service life, RES C-Fix and PhaserFix drainage systems are recyclable. Our PhaserFix concrete is reinforced with natural basalt fibers. More than just words, these are proven steps, because water is life, and sustainability is not a trend. It is our responsibility, our future. The future flows with us.